Hey everybody, if you want to see how I'm doing with my healthy lifestyle change, stay tuned. So I started fasting back in January, around January the 22nd. And today is March the 1st. So I've been fasting for Been fasting for a little over a month. So I use the 16-8 method where I eat whatever I want for 8 hours. You choose the 8-hour window, and I fast for 16 hours. And I'll give you some of the benefits of that. So right here I'm showing you some of the preparations I do during the week. As far as meal prep, these are some condiments and items I put in my salad. I have my tomatoes here. I love tomatoes. No, I don't have a lot because I don't eat a lot. I eat small increments. That's my granola mix, and those are my Parmesan chips that I eat with my salad, and those are some walnuts that I already had. So these are the ingredients for the Parmesan chips, 12 crisps per serving. I'm only gonna do 6, so I'm gonna do a half a serving. So I try to cut back where I can, but for the most part, I eat what I want. That's what I like about the intermittent fasting for now. At some point, I'll change. So at some point, I will limit my bread, but I'm gonna do that slowly. I'm gonna give my body what it wants, because it's a lifestyle change. This is not about losing a bunch of weight and then later on gaining it back. This is a real life lifestyle change. This review of the zero net carb bread that I picked up from Aldi for $4.49. I made me a turkey and Swiss sandwich. I grilled the bread. I did not like it grilled because it made it rougher, because it has 9 grams of fiber. I think that's why it's rough. Bread, the texture is off. It's a little rough. It has 9 grams of fiber, so that what makes it zero net carb. Would I purchase again? No, not for $4.49. The texture is off. It tastes is okay. I give it a 4 out of 10. I would prefer just cutting back on my regular bread opposed to buying this bread. That's my honest opinion. So it's a no for me. So I got my salad all prepared. I got this grilled chicken from Chick-fil-A. So I want to go ahead and thank Marilyn and Sandy for hosting this challenge and encouraging us. We are encouraging each other. It's not about who loses the most weight. It's about us being healthy as a community. So this is Mrs Vee. I just wanted to share this journey with you. So I showed you some meal prep. I gave you a little information that I found out about intermittent fasting, because I'm not a nutritionist. I'm just going by the information I found on the internet. And so this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you.